Hey everyone, I'm super excited today to go over quotedental.com with you. This is a proprietary software unique to senior market sales. This is going to help you quote and enroll clients in dental plans and compare those plans to make sure that you're fitting your client's needs. It's again unique to SMS, and so I'm super excited to dive in and discuss this in depth today. When you first log in, you'll notice that you get to this dashboard and it will display any previous quotes that you've done with clients. So if you need to go back and reference those, you can do that from your dashboard here. And then moving our way down to the quote screen, this is where you'll input zip code, birth date, gender, and effective date, and overall health to be able to identify which plan is best suitable for that client. So for example, I'm just going to input a zip code and do a quote with you. Select male, and then for effective date, I'll just leave it on 3/10. And for dental health, I'll select moderate need. And then I'll go ahead and hit run comparison, and this will bring up the different carriers available in that person's area. And you'll get to the quote screen, and again, this will display the quote based on the algorithm and the dental codes based on the dental health need. And you can also change the coverage benefit waiting period to reflect costs out of pocket for those specific months. And you can look up dentist for that specific plan, and you can also get carrier documents, and you'll obviously see the multitude of different carriers available within this quoting tool, which is super awesome just to have a plethora of different carriers to choose from. Additionally, you'll notice it will show what that client can expect to pay throughout the course of months based on plan, and then it also will show what they can expect to pay if they're uninsured, which is a great indication, reminder / visual to the importance of having dental coverage. And then also will show out-of-network costs associated to those particular plans that are available in that area as well. And now I'm just going to go back up here, and we can show out-of-pocket costs, and then the enrollment option is super unique as well. So if any of these ancillary dental carriers have what's called a PEARL, or a personalized URL, you can save that to the enroll function, and that will allow you to directly enroll to that specific plan. It will direct you to that carrier site to conduct and continue that enrollment. And then going back to the plan file, so you can see that we have an application brochure available in here, so all carrier documents will be accessible in here as well. But again, this is just a great tool to quickly identify and quote and use those dental codes to ensure that you're putting your clients in the best dental plan possible.